Hello, and thank you for your interest in opening Shamrock and Shamford Group of Schools. I'm sure you're wondering that, yes, I want to open a school. You have it on your mind for quite some time that this is something I want to do, but is it the right time? Should I be opening a school? Because schools are closed right now. And yes, of course, you are aware that children have to come to school. So the school sector is going to be one of the sectors which are need based. So core need based businesses, projects, sectors are going to do well in the coming months. So this is going to be a good opportunity. You can start up a school with 50 crore investment to just 5 lakh investment. And as Indians, this is it's part of our value system where education is the last sector we will ever cut our budgets from. So if you are thinking about, yeah, you want to open a school, but you have questions like what are the area requirements, how much investment is required, can I open on the first floor, second floor, do I need to own the property, where will the investment go, what kind of government approvals would be required. So if you have these kind of questions, then what I would recommend is that you register yourself for this free webinar that I'm doing. So I'm doing a free webinar on how to open a successful school. So if that's something that you've been thinking of for quite some time, then you would not want to miss what I'm going to share and what I've learned in the past 30 years being in this sector. I'll be sharing those whatever I know on these topics with you, so you should not miss it. It's absolutely free of cost. All you have to do is fill up the form and somebody in my team will get back to you. So I'll also talk about, more importantly, about what will be the impact of Corona on schools and how will schools look. So I'll show you some pictures, some videos. We'll show you. So it's going to be interesting. If you've been watching me on YouTube, on Facebook, on any of the social media channels, you know that I possibly cannot bore you with a presentation. So you're not going to get a presentation, but you're going to get something of extreme value. So if you've been thinking of opening a school, you think this is one of the sectors, and because why I'm doing this is, a lot of people are now at the time like this are considering to shift their careers. They think, some people who've been laid off and asked to leave from the profession, they think maybe this is the right time to switch to what I've always been dreaming of. Businesses have gone bust, and with a very low investment you can set up a school, and with a school you get so much love from your community, so much respect of being a guru, and with a very small investment, and the quality of life that you get. You're home by 2 o'clock, you work for about 200 days in a year, rest are on holidays, vacations. So there are many good reasons why you should consider opening a school, and if you are considering that, then do register for this webinar. It's absolutely free of cost. Just fill up your details, one of my team members will get in touch with you. It's on a Sunday, and I think those couple of hours that you take out for this session would be one of the best times that you can do, because who knows, you may find something that really touches you at an emotional level. Then just what are the returns, how much investment, that's I'll cover that as well. But if you are meant to open a school, if you think that, I don't know, maybe this might be right for me, then do register yourself, watch the video, watch the session, watch the webinar, attend it, and then who knows, you might like it. So, but if you're not able to attend, I will still fill up the form. Somebody will get in touch with you, and you can discuss with them at a one-to-one level as well about your investment, your location, and they'll also be my managers will be also able to help you on that front. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button in the video, just below the video, and also click on the bell icon, so that whenever I post a new video, you get informed, and some message will pop up that there's a new video, because you have to keep learning. This is the school sector is going to change irreversibly. So if you had thought that I'll open a school, I'll hire a principal, I'll hire some teachers, and they can run the school, but today the impact of technology is going to be very big on the school sector in two fronts. One is technology for learning, which is education technology or ed tech. Second is using technology for marketing. So digital marketing, the importance has gone up through the roof. So today or from tomorrow, when the schools reopen, the skill sets required to run a successful school are going to be very different from what it was before Corona. So if you want to know what those skill sets are and how you can learn them, where you can learn them, then all you have to do is attend this webinar. I hope you've realized that this is pretty good. And the reason I'm doing it absolutely free of cost, I'll tell you that, because the reason I'm doing it free of cost is because when people open the schools for the wrong reasons, for just pure money, they don't succeed, because parents can see that and families can see this school is just about money. And when it's only about money, then the problem is that whenever you face a challenge, think, let me open a restaurant now, let me open a beauty parlor because I'm getting better returns there. But when you have the right reasons for opening a school, and whenever challenges come, you'll be able to overcome them, because your reasons are not money, the reasons are different, and I'll talk about them. So if you really want to know what those reasons could be, and maybe if you want to consider them, then register for this webinar in which I'll talk about all that. And I've seen people make mistakes in how they invest in the school. They make the wrong kinds of investment. With the wrong investment, they set up the wrong kind of school. So I'll talk about play schools, primary schools, and 10+2 schools. So your investment has to be for the right, based on your pocket. You should set up a school based on your pocket, based on your area, what kind of area you have, the paying potential. So these are very important decisions. So if you think that this is something you're considering, even 2 years from now, attend this webinar. Because of the pandemic, I'm at home, otherwise I'm always traveling, so you may not want to miss this. Any questions you'll have, I'll try and answer them within whatever period we have. So register yourself if you have any. Otherwise, if you cannot register or attend the session for any reason, and you have any questions about opening your school, please write that in the comment section and I'll try and answer them in my next videos. With that, thank you very much and good luck in your journey to open a school. The whole world needs better education, and we'd love to have you as our partner in achieving our goal. So thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next webinar.